Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to prepare collard greens Southern style. First, select the freshest, darkest green collard greens you can find. It is crucial to wash each leaf meticulously under cold, running water to remove any dirt or grit. Next, remove the tough central stem from each leaf. Then, stack several leaves, roll them tightly, and slice them into ribbons about 1 inch wide. This preparation ensures tender, delicious greens. Now, let's build that incredible flavor, often called pot liquor. Start by rendering a flavorful smoked meat, like ham hocks or bacon, in a large pot. Once the meat is browned, add 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until softened. Deglaze the pot with about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth and a splash of apple cider vinegar. A pinch of red pepper flakes adds a lovely, subtle warmth. With our flavorful pot liquor ready, it is time to add the star of the show, the collard greens. Carefully add all the prepared greens to the simmering liquid, ensuring they are fully submerged. Cover the pot and let them gently simmer for at least 1 hour. The key is patience here. You want the greens to become very tender, but not mushy. This slow simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it is time for the finishing touches. Taste the greens and adjust the seasoning with salt, black pepper, and perhaps a bit more apple cider vinegar to your liking. A dash of your favorite hot sauce can also elevate the flavor profile. Serve these tender collard greens warm, ensuring each serving includes a generous amount of that delicious pot liquor. They are absolutely perfect with a piece of cornbread to soak up all the savory broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.